it's Bethany from Surplus Two Way Radios. Today we're going to be unboxing radios. Now, if you were a Vertex user in the past, I have good news for you. It's still around. It's just been rebranded to Motorola. We have an MEVX-261, which is a digital and analog radio. Ooh. Right here we have the antenna, we have the charging adapter, we have a belt clip, we have the battery, we have a desktop charger, and right here we have the radio. This model has 16 different channels, and it comes in UHF and VHF. 4 watts for UHF and 5 watts for VHF. It comes in 3 different splits. The first one is G6, which ranges from 400 to 470. There's G7, which ranges from 450 to 520. And there's DO, which ranges from 136 to 174. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we post our next video. Be sure to leave us a comment or send us a message if you have any questions. Bye!
Radio on.